Welcome to Mngqithi Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is Mngqithi Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Raja Casablanca. North is the CAF Champions League. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
Good, man.
Sure.
I can see you are happy. Even though happy, until you win, you are very happy.
Marino always.
Why are you happy? So?
We don't have lose here.
Yeah.
Arnayon.
5 points. 3 games. Yeah. Exactly. I knew.
Manqoba, I'm happy. He's gone.
Yeah.
He's gone. I'm happy.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Joe, Mngqithi family. Good decision.
Yeah.
Good decision, Bram. We're not a loser, understand?
Yeah.
Yes, Bram, I'm happy.
No, beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. No, congratulations. And about the game today, how do you feel about John?
Today, Coach RM, new coach. I'm giving him 93%.
For now, ne?
Yeah, this 7. There is something short here about our team.
What's your thing?
Bra, I just to go Sundown. We don't sweat.
Yeah.
At Sundown. Understand? We don't sweat, but it's sweating. It's like it's playing.
Yeah.
You have to limit. That's
I get the first game high.
Yes, that's why I say I'm giving him 93.
Yeah.
I'm talking about bad thing.
Yeah.
Now, for that 7%.
Yeah.
And 93% is good. Maximum points.
Yeah.
It's maximum. Yeah, we're on top.
But at least you got 3 points. Yeah.
We're on top.
Just be happy.
We're on top.
And who was your man of the match today?
Man of the match. Ruberu.
Yeah.
When you take him out,
Ruberu.
Yeah, Costa.
At least you got 3 points.
Costa. Yeah.
And you are happy.
Yeah, always.
Nice
It's
one.
us.
Congratulations.
Thank you. For sure.